Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to update the MCU firmware of your IS10 NMEA 2000 digital touchscreen gauge. In the previous video in the series, we covered updating the display firmware. Now it is time for the MCU firmware. Updating this will bring new features and new supported sentences, details of which can be found on our website at the time of firmware release. Updating the MCU firmware is only required when a new feature has been added or a member of the Quark-elec team has instructed you to do so. All IS10s are shipped with the most recent firmware available at the time. First, download the firmware from our website and unzip this to a local drive. Then, we need to connect the IS10 to a powered NTK network and also connect it via USB-C to the PC. We are now ready to begin. We can start by launching FlyMCU from the folder we downloaded earlier. The first check is to ensure that the correct port is showing at the top and that it is set to 115.200 bps. This should be set as default. Then, we need to load the latest firmware file into the program by locating the folder and double-click the hex file. As you can now see on screen, we need to ensure that the rest of the settings match what we have here. This relates to the checkboxes you can see and also the setting at the bottom of the window. This one can have a range of options, so it's crucial to ensure the right one is selected. Once happy that the settings are correct and the firmware is loaded, we can click Start ISP and the process will begin. This will take a minute or so and will not require any further input. If it has completed successfully, it will display a message at the bottom stating this. Once the update is completed, we can go ahead, switch off the IS10, remove the USB cable and then repower the IS10 to see the changes. As another verification that it has been successful, the version of both display and MCU firmware can be checked on the Accept screen in faint text at the bottom of the display. As always, stay safe and happy sailing!